Hi everyone, this is Rebecca from ChemKnits, and today my youngest Ryder has a sick day. So I'm gonna turn this loss of a dyeing day into a win and try dyeing yarn with my 1-year-old. Full disclaimer, he will be 2 in a couple days, but technically he is 1 right now, so I am still dyeing yarn with my 1-year-old. I have these really cool bottles that have these sponge applicators on the tip. And I thought that if I fill these with food coloring, then I can let him dab the yarn with the sponge and it'll be somewhat similar to what I've done with foam brushes. I only have 2 of these bottles, and so I'm going to mix some green and purple dyes using these Wilton food colorings. These were the colors that Ryder first requested. He has since requested a bunch of other colors. No? He's since requested a bunch of other colors, but we are gonna go with green and purple. Cheese. Hey Ryder.
Look.
What colors do you like?
Bubble.
Purple. What other color do you like?
Colors.
Colors. Did you ask for green?
Green.
And you want green and purple?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to color some yarn?
Yes.
I am going to add some vinegar to our pre-soak. This is just some plain tap water, and I'm going to add 1, 2 overflowing, and actually since this bottle is just about empty, there we go. 2 overflowing tablespoons of vinegar to this dye bath. I had already started pre-soaking the yarn, but since we're going to be hand painting it, I want to make sure that we have vinegar in the yarn already. So Ryder is going to dye 100 grams of 100% wool worsted weight yarn. What, honey? Oh, so Ryder's going to dye 100 grams of 100% wool yarn. This is the Knit Picks Wool of the Andy worsted weight yarn I use in many of my videos.
Mommy.
Yes, Bubby? I'll help you in a minute. I'm gonna let this sit in the pre-soak until I've got everything else set up and ready to go. I have added just under a cup of water to each of these cups. And now I'm going to add under a 1/4 teaspoon of Kelly Green to one of the cups. And in the other one I'm not going to measure. I have 2 containers of Wilton's Violet that are almost completely empty. And so I am going to soak these in the cup to try to get out as much of the residual dye as I can. So this actually maybe I'm just going to do this with one of them. Looks like that's already a lot of food coloring. Okay, so I'm going to let that soak. Mommy's making your colors.
Mommy, sick.
Oh, thank you, honey. All right, and so we'll stir this up. And then once the icing colors have dissolved, all right, this container is not yet clean, but that is a lot of purple. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and I'll save this in a special spot so that way I know that this one I've started to empty. But I'm still waiting for the Kelly Green to dissolve, but for now I can add carefully. Okay. I guess maybe it's not that concentrated, but I don't mind the purple being a little pale. All right, so we've got this in our sponge bottle. And as soon as the green is ready to go, then I'll try to get a smock on the kid and we'll see what we can do with some yarn. Ryder, what are we gonna do?
Colors.
We're gonna do colors. Yeah, are you gonna help? So Mommy is wringing out the water from our pre-soaked yarn. Wow. What do you say?
Wow.
Wow, yarn. Can you say yarn? Yeah, okay, come here. No, well, guess what? Do you want to color it? Do you want? Look, look, look. Look. Color. Wow, cool. Do you want to try? Yeah? You need dot dot? Do a big dot? Yeah. Oh, yep, dot dot on the yarn. You doing it? You're dyeing yarn. Do you want some green or do you want more purple?
Green.
Okay. Let me rotate your yarn to give you some more space. And here's your green. Ready? Dab, dab. Do you want to get on your knees? Here, why don't you sit up a little bit higher? Can you get up on your knees so you can reach more? Sit down. Sit down. Okay. You ready to dab, dab? Yeah? Is that fun?
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Do you want to do some more colors? What color do you want down? Do you want green or purple?
Bubbles.
Purples?
No, Mommy.
You want Mommy to do some? Look, dab, dab. Wow, look how there's pink in the center. Oh, funny. The sponge is absorbing a lot of pink. I wonder what it's made out of. So these are looking very blue. You want to do some? You want the green? Okay, up, dab, dab. Yeah, dab, 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 lots of dabs. Up, keep dabbing. You waiting for it to drip? Wah-ha. Careful. Oh dear. Okay, dab, dab, please.
Gravy.
Are you having fun? Say, what do you say to the camera? Cheese. Okay, oh, careful, careful. Dab, dab. Ready? Dab, 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 dab.
Mommy.
Careful, over the table. I have protected the work surface with plastic wrap. Okay, we're not going to hold it upside down because that's making a little bit of a mess. Right, you want to do some more dabbing? What color do you want now? Purple?
No, Mommy.
Can Mommy do some purple? Oh, see if you squeeze it.
What is bubble?
You want you want Ryder's purple?
Mommy's bubble.
Ryder and Mommy. Okay, turn it upside down and dab it on the yarn. Dab, dab, dab. Ready? Dab, dab. Dab, dab.
Did it.
You did it?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, hold on. Wait.
Bubbles.
No, that's green, honey. Which color do you want? Do you want green or purple?
Green.
Okay, green. Okay, dab, dab. Oh dear.
Did
Oh, okay.
it.
You did it. Okay, careful. This is getting dangerous. Okay. Now remember, dab, dab, no squeezing. Turn it up and dab, dab, dab.
Dab, dab, dab.
Yay! Right.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do some purple?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me rotate. Okay, you're gonna get the purple. Okay, now dab, dab, dab on the yarn.
Did it.
Oh, oh, oh! Careful, honey.
Did it.
You did it? Okay, but Rydie, careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Okay, remember, no squeezing and do it just on the yarn. Okay, ready?
Alrighty. Did it.
Yeah, oh, over the yarn, over the yarn.
Did it.
Yay, give me a cheese. Oh dear, am I blocking the... Give Mama cheese.
Did it.
On the yarn, please. Hey, Ryder, give the biggest cheese in the world. Say, wow, Mama. Oh, careful. Do you want green?
Did it.
Okay, be very, very careful. Dab, dab, please. Dab, dab. No, dab, dab. Doop, like that. Dab, dab.
Did it.
You did it? Oh dear.
Mommy, Rick.
Do you want the purple?
Rick.
Okay. Can Mommy do some dab dabs with you?
Rick.
Ready? Look. Dab, 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 dab.
Mommy's up.
Are you all done? Do you want to do a couple more dab dabs?
Mommy, you're done.
You're all done? Okay, show me. Are you all done with doing your yarn? What do you say?
Did it, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. Can you give a big, how do you say all done?
Done.
All done. Can you tell me what this is?
Down.
Yarn? Can you say ChemKnits video?
ChemKnits video.
ChemKnits video? Wait a minute, we didn't do an introduction. I'm Rebecca from ChemKnits, and this is Ryder from
Mommy.
Ryder from Mommy. And we are dyeing yarn together. Do you want to do a couple more dab dabs, or are you already done?
Done.
Okay, we're gonna go wash hands. Say thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye. Everybody.
Since Ryder has designated himself all done, I'm going to put caps on these bottles. Kind of wipe them down. There's a lot of dye left over, but maybe Big Brother will want to do some ChemKnit stuff later after school. So we've got the yarn, and I'm curious. Well, so some of these dabs that Mommy did, we've got reasonable penetration through the yarn. And so I think that it was really cool the way that these blue patches broke. But anyway, I think that this is a very fun yarn, and I'm impressed that he spent more than 30 seconds on it, to be honest. But hopefully this is something that he will get a little more into as he gets older. Today I had 2 layers of plastic wrap on the work surface. I wanted to make sure things were ready to go for the kiddo.
Mommy, did it.
In just a minute, Ryder. I've wrapped up the yarn, and I'm now going to microwave it on high in 2-minute increments for a total of 4 minutes. it's time to wash Rydie's yarn. I'm going to add some liquid dish soap to our rinse bath. And then unwrap his yarn. Eek. But you can see already that this color is very much in the yarn versus coming off. There's not even any color on the plastic wrap. Yeah, that rinse water is clear already. But I will still rinse it a few times to make sure I wash out all the soap and to just rinse out some of the other like chemicals and stuff that were in with the icing, just in case there's anything to dissolve out, and then we'll hang up this yarn to dry. Here it is, Rydie's first ever yarn. Now, this yarn has a lot of white, and I did help a bit because I wanted there to be more than a couple splotches of color. This is a project that held my not quite 2-year-old's attention for maybe 10 minutes or so. But as a home dyer, it was a moment that was really, really special for me to share with my baby, because now I can tell him that you started dyeing yarn at 1 year old. The yarn itself is really cool. I like using these sponge top bottles to apply dye to fiber. And I think when a color breaks, like with the violet, you get these really cool blue halos around the pink color, which I think was really fun. Again, I noticed that some of the reds do seem to stick to the sponge, which is something I've observed with my other foam brushes, but since they were black, it wasn't really quite as obvious. Rydie's big Bubba Lucas was more than happy to use the leftover food coloring to dye his own skein of yarn. And this mama is really happy to have little brother and big brother yarns to make something for herself at some point. You can see the full video of Lucas dyeing his skein of yarn with these sponge capped bottles in a separate video that will be coming on the channel soon. Needless to say, I am an extremely proud mama to have this yarn. And I have no idea how Rydie will react when I show him the finished yarn. We'll see if he says anything at all. Hi Rydie, guess what?
No.
No? Do you know what this is?
Yarn.
What is that?
Yarn.
It's yarn?
No, yarn.
No? Well Rydie, this is the yarn that you dyed with Mommy. Did you make this yarn with Mommy?
No, Mommy.
Oh, okay.
No, Mommy.
No what?
No, Mommy.
What is that?
No, Mommy, yarn.
No Mommy yarn? I am Rebecca from ChemKnits, and this is Rydie, and thank you for watching our Lucas, thank you for watching our video. Rydie, can you say thank you for watching my video?
To the video.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, bye.
Wanna blow kisses? Mwah.